Well, today's the day My Little Pony Equestria Girls Legend of Everfree comes out. Eh, after waiting months for this, I hope it'll do you good like Equestria Girls 3 Friendship Games did. And hopefully I can finally see if Sideswipe and Flash will finally be together. Alright, let's do this.
Uh-oh.
What?
That sounds like a goodbye. And here I was hoping we'd still be able to hang out. Maybe get dinner and catch a movie?
Yeah, I'd really like that.
Uh, uh.
Hey, Italian man! Huh?
What is going on here? Oh! Can you guys shut the f*** up here? Jesus Christ, shut up! What is going on? What's you guys doing? Can you be quiet? I'm trying to sleep!